Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It is that time of the year again, Michael's grab bags. So I was able to get two of these boxes. They have changed the way they packaged it. As you look into this box, they are double boxed and you can't really peek in and see what's inside the box. So let's hope we got some good stuff. So here is box number one. I'm actually filming in my garage. I didn't want to bring in this stuff in the house quite yet. They were saying it was going to be fall Halloween decor and items, just random items. So let's hope we get some fall items. I'm hoping some wall decor, baskets or whatnot. If there are Halloween items in here, I'll be happy with that. I actually don't have a lot of Halloween decor, or I have more Christmas stuff. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. Alright guys, here is the first item. Let me just refocus our camera right here. We have a wall decor and it says life is better on the farm. $39.99, so that's basically paid for our box. This is not really my style of wall decor, but it's really pretty. I'm going to give this to my sister-in-law. I know she loves this. So let's see what else we have here. Another wooden piece. We are getting doubles, so super cool. Lovely. That's nice to give out as a gift. It looks like most of the stuff in here are wall decorations. Love this one. It says welcome friends. And we have some sunflowers. Retails for $34.99. This one, definitely like that. Put that on the side. What else did we get? Oh wow. The next one we have is this cow. And it's $39.99 for this decorative frame or wall art. Cute cow. Again, gonna send this off to my sister-in-law. And I think this is what added to the weight of our grab box. Let's see if we got anything else other than that. Okay. One more of our cow frame. I know my daughter Emmy will like it. She loves animals. So we may keep one and send off the other one to my sister-in-law. Now this one has some damage here on the side. And again, retails for $39.99. And we are at the bottom of our box already. Box number one. It looks like we did get some Halloween. So this will be fun to wear for Halloween next year. These are two skulls and they are earrings, $5.99. And the final item in box number one are, what are these? Oh, it's tissue paper. So let's see. There are a bunch here. This. So these are Halloween, let's see, tissue paper. Retails for $3.99 and definitely going to be able to use this for next year. We have the candy corn orange and the web with this one, and then we have, these are also good for fall packaging, still can use that. We have the ghost there. So we have 3 of each of those designs. So that is box number one. Let's open up box number two. Okay, box number two. Don't laugh, guys. We have more cows. $39.99 for that. And another one, it looks like. Oh my. Okay. More of our cute cows. And it looks like not a very good box. We have a scorpion. This retails for $9.99. Definitely gonna add that to our Halloween decoration this year. And just a few more items. We have another one of these Life is Better on the Farm. I'm curious how much it'll cost to mail this. I don't see any priority flat rate boxes that will fit this, but $39.99 for this one. Might give this to another friend. She'll like that. And more of these wrappers that can definitely be used for fall. We can still use this for Thanksgiving, especially the orange and the plaid. And on the other side, we have the plain orange one. And the rest can be used for next year, so that's not bad. And let's see what else we have here. We have some fern. Retails for $5.99. Okay, and another pair of those skeleton skull earrings. Definitely gonna give this to a friend of mine. And the last item in our box is a cute stamp with candy corns, and this retails for $1.99. So, was it a bust? I would say, because the decor isn't entirely my style, I would say it's a bust. But I will definitely gift this to my sister-in-law and a couple friends of mine that will like this type of style of decor. Definitely going to share this with some snail mail friends and gift one of a pair of earrings to a friend. But for the most part, I really love the earrings. Definitely going to wear that next Halloween, and the candy corn stamp is cool. I think the kids will get a kick out of the scorpion, what do you call it? Halloween decor. And I love that sunflower frame where it says friends welcome. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Michael's grab box. Comment below, let me know what you got if you did get it. Thanks again for watching. Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.